Hi, I'm Will Carconi with CARS OnDemand. CARS OnDemand's online training provides both new and seasoned technicians the opportunity to continue training on the latest advances in our industry. A common concern we received at the CARS Technician Assistance Center regards vehicles with a crank no-start condition. Isolating the source of a crank no-start condition is becoming increasingly difficult. In CARS OnDemand's No Start Diagnosis series, we cover the combination of modules and systems working together that allow today's vehicles to start. Participants will learn the first steps in diagnosing a crank no-start condition and the systems that may potentially be causing the condition. On-vehicle demonstrations highlight the operation of various sensors and systems relating to a crank no-start condition, as well as available tools and information required for diagnosis. Cam and crank sensors can be the cause of a crank no-start situation. Knowing how these sensors operate and how to diagnose them are crucial to repairing this issue. Our full No Start Diagnosis series, along with hundreds of other automotive-related lessons, are available to CARS OnDemand participants at carsondemand.com.